Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be unboxing this POCO M8 5G smartphone. So this is the open box delivery. So you can see the box is open and POCO M8 branding on both three sides, and at the back you will see all of the specifications are here. So first let's without wasting any time, let's open it. So yes, it's having three colors: the black, you can say carbon black, and the another one is green type or glacial blue, you can say, and frost silver. I have ordered a frost silver. So this is the POCO box. This is handset. Let's open this box first. So in this box you will get SIM tool, pin, and here it is quick start guide, stickers, and okay, this is sticker like thing. Okay, and here it is silicone case. So this quality is okay, you can say, not so good but okay, designed by POCO. So you after some months you have to buy the new case. This is not the sufficient one. So let's keep it this side, and here we got our new phone POCO. Let's keep it aside and check what the other thing. So here we got this type C cable and adapter. So here it is USB-C to USB to USB type C cable, fast charging cable, and 45-volt of power adapter. So it is designed by Xiaomi, and yes, it supports fast charging. So let's unwrap our phone. So friends, as you can see, the color frost silver, it looks very premium, shiny. You can see the bump of the camera is very good. You can see it has three cameras, one flashlight, POCO branding on this side. So it is 128 GB, 6 GB variant. So let's open it. So it is very lightweight. You can see it is very sleek and lightweight also. And here we got the ports: power button, volume up and down button, and in the bottom you will see one speaker grill, one type C charging port, one SIM tray. Here it is nothing. At the top you will see there are microphone and a dual speaker. So you can see it having the curved display. That's the best thing about this phone and the sleekest phone. So let's open the settings. So yes, it has 120 hertz of refresh rate, so that's the good thing, and 5000 mAh of battery life. So you can use in daily task and perform heavy games also. So let's talk about the processor, friends. So here it is about phone, you can check it also. So it has the, you can see this one, I will show you in the this. So yes, it has Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 mobile platform, octa-core max 2.4 gigahertz. That's the thing. So here we got RAM. You can extend it by 2 GB more, so it has total 8 GB. And let's see the Android version. So it is now 15 currently. So yes, the curved AMOLED display, you can see it having the military grade certified up to 120 hertz of refresh rate. And you can see the slimmest and lightest phone by the POCO. So let's open the camera. The camera is also sharp and good. The color combination of this is are very good. You can see it can zoom in, you can click picture, and you can see how clear the picture is. You can zoom it and it will not break, and it will be on the full screen right now. So here are lots of more ultra HD, and yes, it supports 4K resolution video recording at 30 fps. This is good. So it is, the screen is very good. You can see it is not lagging at all. So it has this fingerprint sensor also. Yes friends, it has the water resistance also, IP66 dust and water resistance smartphone. And yes, it is drop tested by the POCO up to 1.7 meter, 15% higher. So yes, it is military grade certified also. So yes, it is. And yes, it having the 6.77 display size. You can see it is bigger, you can see. And it's having the 3200 nits of peak brightness. So I will full the brightness also, you can see. Let's do a the speaker test and video quality test. Let's open the YouTube settings, 4K video. So here you can watch the video also. So you can see friends, you can zoom at up to 8x zoom, you can zoom it. And let's check the quality of this video. So you can see at 2160p at 60 fps. So you can see the quality is very good, and you can see the edges is very thin and curved, so it looks like a 3D, you can see. So let's do a quick speaker test also. Let's open the settings, non copyright, here it is, yes. So let's full the volume. It has 300%. So friends, as you listen, this is the 300% volume of this smartphone. So my verdict is, if you are purchasing it for the speaker, so friends, it's not having not that much of bass, but in this price range, this is the best one. All of the things are in this smartphone, and there will be not a bestest speaker, but not the less speaker. So speaker, I can say it is okay. So yes, it is having dual speaker on the top and the bottom also, dual speaker, and it is okay if you buy. I have given the link in the description, all the specification of this smartphone. So if you want to buy, you can go and check out there. Thanks for watching.